welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've seen my last video, which was the Stitch Fix video. 5 for 5, definitely a keeper. If you haven't checked it out, I'll link it up at the top and you can go check it out. Please check it out. Subscribe if you enjoy the subscription unboxings or home decor. I will do videos outside of that sometimes just to mix it up on my channel, but mainly home decor and subscription unboxings will be my main videos for my channel. But today I'm doing a Fashom unboxing, and it is my third time trying Fashom. The first 2 times was like a so-so. I think they was in the mix of trying to, you know, get the little company up off the ground as a startup company. But they would send me no name brand items, and they felt cheap, and they come without labels and stuff. But I didn't like them. So this time I asked for a fall sweater, for fall sweaters, and I asked for name brand items, and this is what I received. Fashom send you this packet, and what comes in this little envelope is these 2 sheets of paper. It tells you what's next. It tells you try everything on in the comfort of your home, buy what you like, and send back what you don't like, and they give you similar to Stitch Fix, a prepaid envelope to send back what you don't want, and for free. And you have 3 days to try it, and if you buy 3 or more items, you get 25% off of your entire purchase. It tells you just to use the prepaid mail to return the items you don't want. If you need an exchange, you email them at the information they provide on the paper, and it tells you that for each box that they sell, they donate $1 to save an animal, and then you just leave a feedback to your stylist, tell them what you think about the box. And this is my price sheet. It doesn't tell you the brand of the items, but it does tell you what they call the item and the price. But if I my subtotal, if I buy everything, no, my subtotal, my box is $258. If I buy 3 or more items, I get a 25% discount, which would be adjustment. If I buy the whole box, will be $64.50. I have to figure up if I just buy 3 or less items, it'll be a little cheaper, but it'll be $193 if I buy $193.50 if I buy the whole box with the discount. But the first item is this sweater. It was replaced by this long knit cardigan made by Abound. It's a size small, in the color, it's like a oatmeal color. I supposed to receive a ribbed wide sleeve cardigan with a tie belt at the waist, and it was like a cream color, but this is what they replaced it with. And it's $46, but this can be found at Target, Old Navy for cheaper. But if you get a deal, then it will be a keeper. But we'll see what, I'm gonna try it on at the end, and we'll see what it looked like. Everything will also be listed in the description box. And the next item is this. It's by Trouvé, and they call it the tie sleeve crop sweater for $43. And I think it'll stop like at the top of your pants, but I just don't know what I would do with a big tie on the sleeve, but I bet somebody can pull this off. It's cute, but I don't think I have that type of fashion. But we'll try it on and see what it look like. The next item is a favorite of mine. It is by Free People. I love Free People, which we know is an expensive brand, but if you don't get the right piece or the right size, it can make you look sloppy. But I love Free People. This is size small, and this item is $53, which is a steal because the original price is $128. It's in the size small in the color rose. I love this. I'm just scared I get it caught on something because it's knitted. And it's supposed to be in an olive green, which was why I really chose it, because I want to try olive green, but we'll see what this looks like on. And oh, look at the fun sleeve. It's like a skinny sleeve at the bottom. It's pretty, but we'll see what it looks like on. The next item is by Abound. It's a size extra small V-neck, and they call it the knit V-neck sweater, and they selling it for $40. It looks cheap. It feels cheap. You can find it at Old Navy or, like I said, Target. It's in the color brown. I'm not really a V-neck person, but we'll see what it look like on. I'm not gonna spend too much time describing that one. This is also another one. I wish it had the adjustable straps, cause you know how that works when you don't have the adjustable strap, it don't fit right. But it's like in a velvet, a crushed velvet. It's in a color pink. It's by Project Social Tea, and they call it the Tea Sweet Emotions Cami, and it's for $38. I got the V in the back. I mean, it's cute, but it's not really my style, but I just chose it anyway to try it on. And the last item is an off-the-shoulder top by Cupcakes and Cashmere. I bought a cream colored off-the-shoulder top just like this from Line and Post over the summer when it was going out of sale. Going out of business. But this is extra small also, and it's in the color. It looks like a dusty rose. They don't say what color it is, but it's like a dusty rose. It's cute, but I don't know if I'll keep it. But they're selling it for $38. I'm gonna go try everything on. I'm out of breath for some reason, but I'm gonna go try everything on so you can see what everything look like as usual. And hey, leave your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think of the items. Okay, this is the Cupcakes and Cashmere off the shoulder top for $38. Pretty color. I would wear it like this probably sometime just to sit on my chair. And as we know, by the bra issue, just trying to push out 2 videos in one day. I just don't have the time to change bras and try on all these clothes at one time. But off the shoulder is cute. I mean, it's a cute top. It might be a keeper, even though I have like 2 off the shoulder tops now. But this is pretty. I like that. But we're gonna try on the next one. Let me know what you think in this comment section. The Free People sweater for $53, and I have on the Project Social Tea Cami. It's too big and it's too revealing. I wouldn't wear nothing that is just too revealing for me. But it does look cute together. I love this Free People sweater. This is what it looked like from behind. But these two looks good together. If you like this look together, let me know in the comment section. Because I really like it, but this is just too big. But I'm on to the next item so we can push this video on. This is the V-neck sweater for $40. I like the brown. Too revealing for me. Too low cut. I mean, see, if I pull it up, it looks too bunched up. I don't like that. But, I mean, no. It's cute, though. I like it. I like the length of the sleeves and I just like it. I like the real part of it. And right here around the edges and right here. But I wish it wasn't as low cut. Because that's not, I don't wear real low cut revealing things. But it's cute. But not for $40. Because I can go to Target or, like I said, Old Navy and get it for cheaper. So let's go and try on the Trouvé sweater. And I'll try on the last cardigan, and that'll be next to the last item. This is the Trouvé sweater with the tie sleeve. It's the tie sleeve crop sweater is what they're calling it for $43. I don't know, it's just, I have a similar sweater, but it's by DKNY, and it has the tie sleeve stuff. It's cropped up here, but I just don't, I mean, like I said, somebody can actually pull this off, but I mean, I don't think I can pull it off, you know. If you know how to style this, let me know in the comment section. I know I'm saying a lot for you to comment in the comment section because I really want to know what you think. But if you know how to style this, please let me know. I mean, it could be cute, but I just don't see who would want this big old tie thing. But this is, this is what it looked like. You know. But okay, let me go try on the last cardigan, and we'll be through. I'm back on the revealing Project Social Tea tank just to have something slimmer up under this cardigan. This is what the cardigan looked like. It has pockets, It's very thin, but like I said, you can find this at Old Navy and Target for cheaper. They want $46 for this, but this is what it looked like. It's real long. It goes to like almost to my knees, but I mean, if you like it, I'm not really into the long, real long cardigans. I feel like they really crop me, but I don't know. It look alright. But this is the last item. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell. Come back and check out my next video, which will be a Stitch Fitch video. And if you haven't checked out my first Stitch Fitch video, I have linked up above. And go check it out and let me know what you think.